When a furnace stops heating properly, the cause isn't always obvious from the outside. The system might not start at all. Start and shut back off, blow air that doesn't feel warm, make noises it didn't used to make, or just never get the house to the right temperature. At Pristine Air Heating and Cooling, furnace repair starts with finding the cause before replacing anything. Many furnace problems share the same symptoms, but the underlying cause and the right repair can be very different. One of the most common causes we see is an igniter problem. If the igniter has worn out or failed, the furnace will call for heat. The thermostat sends the signal, but the burner never lights. Another frequent culprit is a dirty or failing flame sensor. The burner lights, the system detects that the flame isn't being confirmed, and it shuts down as a safety measure, sometimes within a few seconds. Both are recognizable patterns. Both have specific causes. Neither should be guessed at. What else can cause a furnace to stop heating properly? Beyond igniters and flame sensors, there's a longer list of components that can affect furnace operation. Limit switches, blower motors, pressure switches, thermostat wiring, and airflow restrictions. A clogged filter or blocked return can create symptoms that feel like a serious equipment problem when the fix may be much simpler. One of the most useful things a diagnostic visit does is check the furnace's sequence of operation, what the system is supposed to do, in order every time it runs. That sequence looks like this: call for heat, run safety checks, ignite, prove the flame, move warm air through the home, and shut down cleanly. When one of those steps fails, it tells us where to look. Testing the system in sequence lets a technician separate the symptom from the actual cause. That's how we avoid replacing parts that weren't the problem, and how you end up with a clear picture of what actually needs to be done. It also means you're not being asked to approve work based on a guess. After the issue is found, the next step is a clear explanation and a written estimate. You should know what failed, why it matters for how your system operates, and exactly what the repair involves before any work is authorized. That's how repairs should go. If your furnace isn't heating correctly, starts and then shuts back off, or just can't keep the house at the temperature you set, that's worth a proper diagnostic. Give Pristine Air a call or schedule online. We'll walk you through what's going on and what your options are.